Hello, my name is Verena Kriechbaumer. I'm a senior lecturer in biotechnology and plant sciences at Oxford Brookes University, and I'm also the Gatsby mentor for Oxford Brookes University. My research interest really circle around plant cell biology, and I'm interested in the plant endomembrane system and especially the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi bodies. And here we use a lot of confocal and electron microscopy techniques to see what is going on, what happens in the structures, why are these organelles important for the plant, and potentially how can we modify them for biotechnological purposes. So an example for biotech approaches of our research is, for example, we are quantitatively analyzing the ER structure, which is quite different in different cell types. So, for example, if you have a cell that requires a lot of secretion, like your salivary glands and stuff like this, the ER structure can be very different than other cells. So this, of course, is very interesting in how can we produce high-value products in plants, and how can we produce a lot of it. And if we can modify the structure, the ER that is producing all these proteins, that might increase the amounts and the stability of these high-value products. My career path started as an undergrad and then as a PhD student at the Technical University in Munich. And here I was really interested in plant growth hormone, mainly auxin. By pure luck, I got a position offered at Oxford Brookes University for a postdoctoral 6 months. And from there on, I got another postdoc position at Sheffield Hallam University, working at protein targeting. And my path led me back to Oxford Brookes University, where I started as a Vice Chancellor's University Fellow in Biology. And then I got promoted to Senior Lecturer at Oxford Brookes University. The most rewarding part of my job is probably finding out really cool stuff, but also being able to teach this. And not only the undergraduate teaching, and especially here projects. So we have third-year students doing projects with us, and it's really cool how they really integrate into the research culture and get interested in the stuff that I'm interested in. But of course also PhD students, because this is new careers in the making, the next generation, and it's really great to see how they change, how they develop, how they grow, how they get their own minds and start fighting the PI at some point. So it's really fantastic to see how they develop into independent researchers.